Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. The Ghana police force, they sent my security tonight. That was sending my security. The line in the fucking gas station. There they are. Line in the gas station. People stealing from me. I got everybody on camera. You, Mr. Collins. Lyman. People thieving from me. I'm glad I catch y'all. God, I call judgment for y'all. I call judgment on y'all. Skip Lyman. I'm already cop. You wanna arrest nobody? You wanna arrest you and your vehicle? You only your vehicle? But me I was telling him, sir, I got everything. I pass y'all. Yes, good. Man with the cup drinking. Man standing over there. But y'all stand away. Y'all stand away my security. People thieving from me. Judgment.
Alright, my people, I'm going to ask you this. Based on the things that you saw and heard in that video that I just presented to you, do you think those police officers were actually drinking? Do you think they were actually just hanging out and not doing their jobs like they're supposed to? Because according to some things that a person said in the background of the video, I got the understanding that the person accused those police officers shown in that video of liming. See? Now the video will be recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. And according to an urban dictionary that I saw on social media, and according to one person that I talked to from within the country of Guyana, I got the understanding that the word liming means hanging out, partying or party, socializing and other things as well. See? And the word liming can also be used when persons are gathered together and drinking, you see? So, based on the things that the person said in the background of the video, and according to certain things that I just told you, tell me what you think. Do you think those police officers were actually drinking while they're on duty? Do you think they were actually hanging out while they're on duty when they're supposed to be doing their job? Let me know what you think, alright? Anyways, big up and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla there again, you see it? So, I have more videos to present to you, see it? And I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video might be shocking to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show a man and a woman working together to meet some form of dough. See? Yeah, the video shows a man using a large object to stamp the dough repeatedly, and the video shows the female using one of her hands to lift up parts of the dough so that the man can stamp the dough with the object. You see? And the object keeps going very close to the female's hand. You understand? And that worries me. So I come wonder if this is something that them do all the time. Yeah, I worry for the female's hand. You see it? Anyways, I'm going to present the video to you, but this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Nah, dah bila orang nak tu wali ya.
I record this a sign. Me burn up. Hey, my people. Jano, me fret for that woman there. Me fret for that woman there hand. And the man there. Well, I mean, Jano, me don't know. No, sir. Some people just sitting sometime make me just have to wonder what them I think. Like, no man. If I something this them do every day, I only hope so them change them strategy. Yeah, me go so them change it, man. Me not agree with that, none at all. I do not agree with the way how they make that dough. You see it? Anyways, my people, tell me what you think about that video, alright? Alright, so The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is a really and truly sad video, you know. This video shows a female, and in the video the female talked about her sister who she said died from COVID-19 or the coronavirus, as well some persons might call it. You see me I say? It's really sad, my people, and more I hear the things them what she have to say, you understand? And I would like to say my condolences to the friends, the families, and the loved ones of the female who she said died. You see me I say? No matter what, Dancehall Skilla wish the best for each and every one. You see me I say? Alright, so here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I guess I'll start. Thank you for all the persons who have sent words of comfort and everything. It's a very difficult day. I'm actually awaiting the arrival of my baby sister. Okay, today is World Mental Health Day. And when you're dealing with a death of COVID, it is a mental issue. And families have to be so strong and so together. You know, we just heard our sister was in Mount Hope, and by another day, we were told that she can't breathe. We needed the, she had to get oxygen, and she went on the machine. But you know what the sad part is? We all have choices. Natasha had a choice to get vaccinated, but she chose not to. And you know, as a big sister, I told her, so Natasha, you need to take the vaccine. So we have a lot of speculation around. Everybody has a different opinion on what the vaccine can or cannot do. But at the end of the day, it comes down to a gut feeling. At the end of the day, we all have choices. But you know what is so, it's so, you know, I've lost a word and I like to talk plenty, but I just feel the need to do this live. When I got a call night before from the doctors saying that they want to see us, I said, doctor, did my sister die? He said, no, she's just critical. And Natasha had a fight because she couldn't breathe. But when we got the news that she did die, it's just like a surreal feeling. But with COVID-19, when your family members die from COVID-19, they're almost extinct. All you have is a memory. You can't touch them, you can't kiss them, you can't do anything. You know, so with that in mind, COVID-19 is not a joke. It's hard to know that you have a loved one. The most you could do is give them a decent send-off. Family members can't even attend the funeral the way they want to do. When the person dies, you have funeral homes like tongues. It's like a maxi stand. We could give you this package, we could give you this package, you understand? And the costing is sometimes ridiculous. But at the end of the day, your loved one has to be churched because they can't go to a normal home because of COVID. Right? You can't see them, the coffin has to be sealed. So you cannot say your final goodbyes. What is even worse yet, you can't even choose where you have to bury them. You have to choose a cemetery that the government chooses. So there's Sawa, on top of the hill you have Karapo. So literally, your loved one is just being buried with a number of strangers. That is a serious thing that could bring on, well, the only thing you could do is be strong. And what does being strong mean? You know, my mother and my father are both alive. They have to bury their daughter. My sisters, we all trying to be strong. Nobody knew Natasha. She was a very spiritual woman, you know. But at the end of the day, my message this morning is that we all have choices. Nobody is telling anybody what to do. But where COVID-19 is concerned, once you know you're getting a call, please try and reach out to the medical fraternity. Try to reach out to our health center. Don't do your own self-medication. Because when you do this self-medication, right? When you do this self-medication, it is too late. Right? So I have to go now because I have to go and view my sister's body. So you all remember the 3 W's. Wash your hands, wear your mask, and watch your distance. Okay? My sister is in a white bag. Right? So you all just stay safe. Yes, Sadia? Alright, and just make sure and do the right thing. Alright, thank you again for all the condolences and everything. But COVID-19 is not a joke. This is a serious thing. Alright, I'm signing off.
People. Alright, so big up and respect, you know. Yeah, so me I go left it, and I want to say to each and every one, do your best to fight against the COVID-19, you see me? Obey the rules and the laws of your country, or countries out there worldwide, you understand what I said? You know, don't go by hearsay. Get the facts, do research, and find out about the COVID-19 as much as you can, because there's a lot of rumors and speculation circulating on social media and out there in the world about the COVID-19, and to my understanding, a lot of them are not true. Alright, so yes, I'm gonna left it. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm gonna big up your seat.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?